I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is, I can't tell.
Okay, y'all, I was looking kind of crazy because I just woke up not too long ago, so don't mind me. But I was just showing you guys how I added in the hair to make it longer.
Baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't.
Okay, y'all, this is the final look of my braids. I'm so happy to be done. Y'all, when I say these braids took me forever, it is so time consuming trying to braid your own hair, but you will not regret it. I gotta do my calculations because I did not do this in one sitting. That's why y'all saw me in so many different shirts. But they are really cute though, and I feel like now is the time to have braids. Okay guys, I am dipping my hair first, and I have an electric kettle pot thing that I use because I am a hairstylist. I do braids, so this is very handy when you want to do your own hair. Don't go spend no money. Get a pot and boil some water and dip it. But this is what we're going to use right now. So let's do that. And I like to use this because I can literally put like a lot of my braids in there. I did relax my hair before my braids, only because I really needed it, and I couldn't have done knotless because my hair was too thick for me to deal with it, you know, for me to do it. Anyway, that is why I'm going to be going in with just my extreme gel, but I'm also going to go in with my shining gel because honestly, when my hair is relaxed, this holds and my gel holds. Or if like you feel like your hair is thicker than that, you know, you can always go in with Got To Be because that works well for me.
What I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna
This is the final look, y'all. This is the final look. These are really cute though, for real though. Right? Yeah. But y'all, these are really cute, really cute. I made sure I tracked like my hours and stuff because I did stop and start back. So it took me about 8 hours to do my hair with this length, and obviously I pre-partied and did all of that, so time was taken out from that also. But yeah, 3 packs of hair. I'm gonna have everything in the description below, so if you guys just want to check that out along with timestamps and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with a friend who you think needs to do some knotless.